Well, here it is, the new hardware I shall install. It's the Samsung EVO 860. And I chose in the size of 2 terabyte to replace the drive I already have. So let's see how this looks like. Okay, so we have a little manual here. We shall look at that. And here we have the drive. Well, it's very tiny. And it seems that we're not included with the SATA cable, so you better have one. Well, feels pretty sturdy somehow. I suppose it's just a few chips inside, but doesn't hurt to have a nice cover like this. It's supposed to be pretty reliable, and I hope it is, because I'm going to use it a lot and write and read a lot of data from it, you know, as I'm recording stuff. Well, I shall move on to basically install it in the system. Well, let's check what this is for kind of manual. Legal disclaimers. We also have some install instructions for computers, if you don't know how to do that. It seems pretty general for several models, warranty and stuff. Well, there we have it. I shall install this in my system and, well, basically transfer my entire system to it. And if you want to see that video, visit my main channel, Jimmodism Total Hurry channel. Well, see you. Jimmodism signing out.